Hi, I'm Davis from Smarter Air, and today we're going to look at how to clean the filters on your ducted air conditioning system. The return air is an integral part of your air conditioning system, and the filter is there to protect it from dust, dirt, pet hair, and any other debris that you don't want getting into the system. Cleaning your filter regularly will increase the air quality throughout your home, reduce power consumption, avoid condensation marks on the ceiling and around the grills, and help your air conditioner longevity. To clean your ducted air conditioning filter, disconnect the fixing holding the hinged return air grill to the frame. This will be a screw or sliding clip found to one side of the grill face. Make sure when you're disconnecting these that you support the grill face while undoing them, otherwise it'll freely swing downwards. Using a garden hose, spray from behind the dusty side to push the debris out of the mesh. While we are waiting for it to dry in the sun, vacuum as much of the lint and dust off of the grill face as possible. Once it's dry, slide the filter back into its frame and re-secure the grill face using the screw or clips. How often you need to clean your air conditioning filters will depend on how often it is used and the area that you live in. The usual rule of thumb is to clean the filters for a residential system once every 2 months, although this may vary with different usage throughout the seasons.